Here's my new order from Young Living. It just came in and I'm as always excited. So I just wanted to share with you not only what I got, but I see some of my family is interested too. So I just wanted just to give you a little information. Basically that like when you get it in 15 milliliter bottle, there are 240 drops. See, it comes like this. You could drop them, and basically these are concentrated essential oils of highest quality, and 3 drops is enough to cover the whole body. So if there are 240 drops in the bottle, that will last you a long time. Sometimes they come like in a roll-on, or you could even buy those rollers separately and you could put it on top of the bottle. Then you don't have to use your hands as much. So it depends on the application how you want to apply. This one is for it's Breathe Again that I always have around. It's for sinus and yeah, basically sinus support, you know, when you clogged and don't feel very good. This month I got something new. It's those things. It's for the cats, to nibble on. I don't have a cat, but somebody else does. Plus, they were out of the dog chews, and so I decided, well, let me try it for Pepper, see how much she likes it, because this also has essential oil of ginger, which, by the way, I love the smell of. It's I don't know if I tasted it yet. I probably did, but the smell is so pleasant. It's right here. I got ginger. I didn't order all of this. The more you order, the more free products they give you. So I got lots of free stuff, which I can use. For example, that big bottle of multigreens. My husband likes it because I wish he drank juices, but he doesn't. So he likes it, and it has plenty of essential oils to support digestion and other functions. So I'm happy. Now, the Inner Defense is one of my favorites, and I always have it at home. It's basically Thieves blend you know, whenever there's a winter or flu season or colds and stuff like that, when our immune system is maybe weaker. Like yesterday, I took 2 capsules. I just felt I wasn't feeling well. I wasn't gonna just lie down, and so I just took 2 capsules and that was it. Maybe I should have taken something different, maybe for digestion, but I felt like Inner Defense, it's a sure thing for me, so I used it. Okay, so now what I got this time is this Thieves. It's for my friend. She has girls in school, and she likes them to have those Thieves hand purifiers. Germophobic, but in school, that's quite valid. Now, I have quite a few essential oils. Thieves is for her too. I still have mine. Lavender is for me. This was free. It's for sniffles. Basically, they have a whole line of kid scents, which I do like. Also, for example, for people who were never exposed to essential oils, it's a good start because they're diluted, they're gentle. So if you don't want to use, for example, the Breathe Again, you could use this Sniffle Ease. You could put a roll-on on it, or just no need really. I mean, you could use your finger, and if you put it on sinuses, you have to make sure you rub it in so it doesn't get into your eyes. You know, don't drip anything by your eyes. And if it happens, you should use a vegetable oil to dilute the essential oil. because that's their properties. One of their properties, they dissolve in a vegetable oil, so the burning sensation will go away immediately. Now the next oil there is ginger, which I talked about. Then Endoflex, I was out of Endoflex. I gave mine to my son, I think. Yeah, so I cannot live without Endoflex. It's to support the endocrine system, and I just love that blend. It's very powerful. I also like to use it not just on thymus, but also on other organs like kidneys, adrenals, to support. It's really very effective, I find. Fennel is for my friend. I introduced Fennel to her. I told her how I use it a lot on my gums to make sure there's no food particles there. And it's very good for digestion. It's a mild essential oil, meaning it's not hot. And it's also, it smells pleasant, like licorice. So you have a fresh breath, which I appreciate in people. Okay, what else I have there? It's the Raven. Raven, the next bottle over, the red bottle. Raven is very good for lung issues. It's one of the most powerful blends. Raven, RC, and also Ravensara. Those are excellent. So now the next one is my new essential oil. I never tried. I want to see how that works. It has many good uses. What's it called? Mastrante. Yeah, I never used that before, so I'm very curious to open it. And now the next blend over, the last bottle here, is Sarah. It's actually an abbreviation. It's one of the emotional blends. Basically, every essential oil has a corresponding emotion for it. That could be used for, because our emotional sense is in our emotional brain. When you smell it, it goes right there basically, and you either say you relax. They really are very effective. I just like they are very effective for me, for sure, and for many people. It's just amazing how you could use them for that. So sometimes I wish I could get to the point where instead of just using essential oil to support like a physical condition, I would support like emotion that caused the physical condition, because those emotional blends are formulated as such that it's like quite a few essential oils in it. So you address not just the emotion, but the physical part, the emotional, the spiritual part, and they're very effective. Maybe very effective, if you pick the right one. And I've seen and I've used them, and I just love them. So I think that's it. These things, it's for cleaning basically. I get those. They're very nice papers. They're a little hard, so I use them to clean what a sink or a stove, stuff like that, so I don't scratch the surface, yet they have some abrasion to it. So that's it for today. That's plenty. I just love this, and I've been doing this for many years now. And so I just find it that I don't suffer anymore. It's very effective stuff. As you know, I don't go anymore to get help from anybody else because I can take care of myself. So that's the bottom line.